Everything's dry now, and I'm going to put on the first layer, which is called Peach. This is not the color I was going for. I was going for something a tad darker, so I'm going to be mixing paints. This is the rock, the big one that we made in the video about a year ago. Still very strong. The bag was removed after we made it, before we painted it. So there's no trash under here, it's just a hollow. But because we used the whole bag of cement, it is very, very strong. You can actually stand on that. These rocks are smaller and were made with only the plastic bag technique, where it's the simplest of all. You just fill a bag with cement mix, and most of them lasted. The ones that were were thin did not when you step on it, but these, as you can see, are still here, and they can take to standing on as well. So you have to give it a good thickness for it to be okay. This one here, as you can see, there's a hole in it. It's still very strong, but I did not do it thick enough, so good thickness is good for that. There was another kind that I made using styrofoam, and this is the one here with a hole in it. Now these did not do very well. I did not put any chicken wire. I just had some styrofoam, and I covered it with cement mix, the render, and as you can see, it's cracked in a few places, exposing that's the styrofoam there. As you can see, it's soft. So I would not recommend this technique with styrofoam, which is why I did not show it in the video. So this is it. A year on. I have a reason for taking the pond away, but I'll let you know that reason in another video.